Hi there. This is a short video tutorial to give you some instructions and to talk a little bit about using the announcements tool in Moodle to communicate with your students. So the announcements tool is an online discussion forum tool that comes standard in every Moodle course once you link your course between Colleague and Moodle. And if you make a post in this announcements forum, all participants who are students will automatically get an email pushed to their Pacific email account. Very similar to a mailing list, like a Google mailing list. The difference here is that your students can always come back to the Moodle course to see every communication that you've sent to them through the announcement tool, so they don't have to sift through their inbox to find that important communication that you sent to them, and also to be able to get access to any documents or other files you may have attached to particular announcements. So I'll just open it up and show you what it looks like to post an announcement. So if you click on announcements, you can see that it opens up to this page. All you have to do is click on add a new topic to enter a subject line, just like you would if you were sending an email. And then instructions. Be as clear as you can in the instructions so that they know exactly what they need to do for the task. Here you have an option to attach files. So I could open up my files on my computer and I could find a PDF. You could also do this with a Word document or all kinds of other things. You just drag the files here. You can drag multiple files. You do have an option here to send the forum post with no editing delay. Normally, as a default, Moodle gives you what I call a 30-minute window of regret. So 30 minutes it's going to hold on to this post before it kicks it out, so you have time to go back in and change it. If you want your students to see it right away, it's really important that they get it now. You can just click this little checkbox and it will send your post right away. And they will get it pushed to their emails right away. So now that you've given it a subject, included your message, attached any files that you needed to attach, all you have to do is say post to forum at the bottom here. And now you have a discussion post posted to this forum, and also your students will be emailed a copy of this message. They can also come back here, take you to the main page. If they click on announcements, they can see any posts that you have here, and they can read it and get access to any attached files. So I'll walk through those steps one more time just so that you can see it from the beginning. If you go into your Moodle course, click on announcements, add a new topic. Let's try this. If you wanted to include a video link, if you had a YouTube video, you could highlight it here and make a link. Here you could drop in the URL to a YouTube video. And then if you clicked create link, that's where it would go. Attach files if you want to. Decide if you want to send it immediately or if you're okay having it go out in a half an hour. I'm going to say immediately, post to forum. Now you can see that the most recent post is at the top and the second post, or the older post, goes to the bottom. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to email us at edtech@pacificu.edu.